Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto G71. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so click it and click Settings. Then choose Voice, and here we got Hey Google block, so click Voice Match option. And click here onto switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access for Hey Google, click Next, I agree. And now we say that Hey Google is ready. Press Continue. Wait a second for loading. And now, how you can see, Hey Google option is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.